Good morning, everyone. Here's your Eastern Idaho planning and weather briefing for April 17th. Things are looking pretty calm for the next couple of days. We'll see a return to some showers by Sunday, but with the dry weather expecting, look for those chilly mornings and warm afternoons. Nothing wrong, or actually nothing abnormal about that when we get into this time of year with that dry air that sometimes gets into place. Satellite loop this morning, we have high pressure. We still have northerly flow over the area, but you notice there's not anything really going over the state of Idaho today, and expect that trend to continue. Maybe, and I stress maybe, a few afternoon showers over around Island Park Saturday afternoon, but starting Sunday, mainly afternoon rain and snow showers across the area, mainly affecting the higher elevations. That doesn't mean a few won't sneak out into the Snake Plain or the Magic Valley, but that chance really is going to be confined to the mountains. And for Sunday, especially down closer to the Utah border, where there might be even a couple of rumbles of thunder in the afternoon. Just a few showers in the southern highlands down along again on the Utah border on Monday. A little better chance area-wide, especially in the mountains, as we head into Tuesday. Now, how are things looking? We've talked about the chance of precipitation. We're looking at some of this ensemble data, and when we talk about that, that means looking at several different versions of a forecast and coming up with several different ideas. Now, this basically looks at the middle-of-the-road forecast, if you want to call it that way. So we go into Sunday, very light precipitation across the southern highlands up around Island Park. We get into the afternoon and evening. That's where we're talking about that activity developing the mountains. Not much going on again over the Snake Plain and the Magic Valley, but that doesn't mean something won't happen in those areas. And we see it diminish overnight into Monday, then into Monday afternoon. Not much precipitation showing up, so that just kind of gives you an idea. Anything down south will be very, very light, maybe nothing more than sprinkles. And then we go into Tuesday again, we see that redeveloping across the area. Temperature-wise, that's, like I said, the main issue we're going to be looking at. For temperatures this afternoon, most of us in the lower elevations will be into the 50s. We might push 60 once you get down into portions of the Magic Valley heading into the Treasure Valley for today. Temperatures in the morning, it's going to be one of these deals, especially where we don't have a little bit of down valley wind in the Magic Valley and the Treasure Valley, up also in the Wood River Valley. It's going to be very chilly in the morning. We're talking about temperatures in the teens and low 20s for the most part. Then we're going to warm up into the 60s, especially once you get away from the upper Snake Plain, once you get into the rest of the Snake Plain, places farther south and to the west, and we do start to see a warm-up in the overnight hours. That's because we have a little bit of wind in the forecast. Maybe just a touch cooler on Sunday with a little more cloud cover, but then you see temperatures rebounding as we get into next week. We might even see a few 70-degree temperatures popping up by the time we get to Tuesday afternoon. Once again, dry weather. That dry air means chilly mornings and some warmer afternoons and some showers, mainly in the mountains, returning as we get into Sunday. Everyone, have a great day. Be safe out there today. Remember, try not to get out too much over the weekend, but if you do stay safe out there as well.